So this is the second challenge lock I got from Hellslave by way of it. And so this one is the ERA. I have this one. I cannot wait to get into it because man, it feels like it's full of gravel. I felt like, oh yeah, 2001 Dave Bowman says, "My God, it's full of stars." I've been picking this one saying, "My God, it's full of gravel," or Rice Krispies or something. I don't know. It's very, very crunchy. So I'm trying some new lighting strategy based on some suggestions. So we'll see how they work. Gosh, I don't know if that is going to work. Let's All right, got into it. Okay, let's take it apart and see what it's made of. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Again, some pro tips on videoing. So oops. Uh-oh. Okay. There we go. These key pins came out. I had the thing upside down. Rookie move. Didn't check. Don't know which one's which. Well, we'll find out later. But 1 and 2 are standards. Actually, no. 2 and 3 are standards. And 1 is... Oh, crimes. All right. 1 is a standard as well. 4, also standard. And 5 is also a standard key pin. the and I was almost certain that this was the case, and it is, that the plug is threaded. So make sure that's in focus, and with some light on it, should be pretty clear that it's threaded, which accounts for the grindy, gravelly, crispy feeling. All right, now $10,000 question. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I keep leaving the frame. I zoomed in, and I'm not used to working that closely. So, let's see. Here we go. Pin 1, standard pin. Pin 2. What in the... It's... Let's see if I can focus on that. It is threaded rod of some kind, or a screw. Well, again, that accounts for some of the gravelly. I'm going to guess there's more of those in there. Oh, yep, there's another one. And yet another one. And last is a standard. So we have 2 standards. 3, I'm gonna go with bolts. They're bolts. Maybe not bolts. Maybe they're some kind of very small all thread. I'm not sure. But they're gravelly, and they're actually very difficult to pick. So whoever gets this one next, man, tension control. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Again, I keep leaving the frame. Zooming in. Oh, yeah, and I also wanted to look. Guessing that is threaded too, although let's see if I can get a good view. Maybe not. That doesn't actually look to be threaded. So there's nothing dodgy going on in there. Let's get a close-up of the pins themselves. Let's see. Put that there. So yeah, never seen something like that before. But man, it sure does make it feel like it's full of sand. All right, like the other one, I'll find a fun way to give this one away. Don't know if I'll use another riddle. But again, thanks you guys very much, Ith and Hellslave, for the challenge locks. These have been a lot of fun. I don't think Ith likes me very much because he gave me this Medico cylinder to work on. I've been having pretty good luck with Medicos lately, but somehow I think this one might be my downfall. I've put a pick in it for about 5 minutes, and well, it feels a little different than the Medicos I've been working on. Not terribly, but I think it's going to take a little focus. So, but anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll do something fun to get this ERA off to the next Reddit lockpicking sub member. Thanks.